to show you what I've been doing in my RV. I've been changing out the regular light bulbs to, if you can see these, how bright they are, to the LEDs. They were kind of expensive when I looked at them at Camping World online and different other places. But what I did was I went on Amazon and I took a chance and ordered a couple of boxes. And I'm going to show you what they look like, and I'm going to change out a set. Okay, this is what the box looks like. This is what it says, that it was made in China, Fox City. There's no numbers on it except for right here. I don't know if you can see that. And quite a few of them in there. And they come in this plastic Ziploc bag, and it's kind of a blue smoky color. And basically you just take one of these, take out the other bulb, and pop it in. I'm going to show you how it's done because my sister-in-law showed me how it was done. And if I can do it, you can do it too. Here I am in the little bathroom, and here is the light up here, and it does look white, but if you take a look here, when I flip you over to here, I don't know if you can notice that that is a much clearer white than this. I'm not sure how well that's going to show, but basically you are just taking this down like that, and I'll take that opportunity to wash that. You're going to take this bulb out. And see, it's just one of those bulbs like that. Little different size, but it's the ends that make the difference. And I don't know if you can see that. You put it in and you turn it. You take it out, you put it in, and you turn it. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to get this cover washed up and put back on, and we can see them side by side. So here we are. The new LED bulb is on the right and the old one is on the left. I see a big difference, how yellow and dated. I think some people might actually replace the whole light itself, thinking that they have to because it looks so old and outdated. But it looks like a whole new fixture with the new LED bulb in it. So I will provide a link below for the set that I bought. Okay, I got the other side put in, and it looks wonderful, and it's so bright in here. Remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Give it a try. If you're thinking about replacing your light fixtures, why don't you try replacing the bulbs first? And it just might do the trick, and it'd be a lot cheaper too. I am so happy I did this. It has made this camper so much brighter.